Good morning guys, and welcome to the next episode of Talk Automotive, the channel from a car lover to car lovers. In this episode we're going to be installing the CravenSpeed Gear Knob. I hope you enjoy this install, learn something from it, and hopefully check out the CravenSpeed Gear Knob for yourself. Okay guys, so time to install the CravenSpeed knob. I've gone for the red version, so let's just crack into this. We've got our Mac here with the instructions from CravenSpeed, so let's get into this. So basically pull this up. It says you need a trim tool, but I've seen the video from like Manic Motorheads and people like that. Yeah, you definitely don't need a trim tool. You need to take out, you need to unclip the little white plug. So there's a little white plug under here, you hopefully can see there. I think if you just pull down, yeah, that disconnects. You need to disconnect that because that is your that's for your driving mode. You don't want to snap that. Let's see what happens next. It's a bit worrying. It says literally just yank up, so there we go. Simple. And this is easy. Boot is off and inverted. Old shift knob is there. It's now saying to put the O-ring that comes in this handy little bag here on the shift knob. Don't want to lose any of those little bolts, so I want to keep that definitely there. So it says place that over the shift knob. Saying to put this on here. And then it's saying to get the stainless steel core. I just want to say the build quality of this is absolutely excellent. So it's saying to put that like that. But then it's this little piece here. So then you get this little piece. If you can see that, maybe you can see there's a little lip on the inside of this, if it's focusing. Whereas the sun, there is no lip. So what we do, we get that. You line it up with the edge here, pointing towards you. Yeah, it's quite tight, but once it's on, go down and then you'll hear it click. And we know we're in. We're at this stage, we've got the clip on facing with the gap facing straight down. The metal weight, sort of actual, the actual potholes onto the gear shifter is on top of the boot. We've got the O-ring underneath the boot for later on, so let's try and get this actually fitted now. Really simple by the looks of it. Line that up with the middle, like so. Pull up the metal weight. Only goes in sort of one way. So we just try and push that down. Line them up. And we get the actual topper. Put it on and wait for the lines to line up. There we go. And then what we'll do is we'll just get two bolts in, one either side, just for now, just to hold it in. Can sort of push the top around to find, you know, to sort of find the holes, and then once you've got one lined up, they'll all line up. Give it a bit of a wiggle. There it is. She goes. Get the little Allen key. Taking your time to get sort of in. And you're gonna get one in, and then the rest will follow. Okay, so that's on. I don't know why it's moving up and down. I don't think that is right, because it shouldn't be able to do that. Because surely that will just won't come off, but I can't understand why it won't. It should just be locked in. So I don't know. I need to have a look at that. So what I hadn't done, this black clip here, there's two lips There's one lip on the metal, but there's another lip on the plastic. It has to go all the way to the plastic. It's hard to push down. You've got to give it a real push, but once you get it there, it ain't moving. You know, obviously when that's attached at the top there, like so, with the onto the gear knob, onto the gear shifter there, the way around, sorry. When it's attached there, it's not going to go anywhere because it can't go down because of that, and it can't go up, and it'll be absolutely solid. So I'll get that attached now, and then yeah, we'll have a look at what it looks like and try and get the boot back on. So, installed and not moving. Yes, that's nice as well. Really nice feel to it. Love that. And with this being aluminium as well, it's going to be with it being stainless steel as well, it's going to be a really nice finish, and you know, you can feel it on your hand. That's really good. So now comes what I think is the toughest bit, and that's to get this O-ring over that lip. So let's try and get that done now. Yes. No. Go straight off. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get a zip tie. Right, zip tie. I'm gonna try that. I think it might work a bit better. So I went for the zip tie. It is better with the zip tie. It ain't gonna move as much. So now we just reconnect the sports and normal mode. Line it up, press it down, and then that's gear knob's installed. Looks really good. I hope you guys like it.